What's going on fucking YouTube? Yeah, I'm fucked. Look at my truck stuck in this whole fucking thing. Like, I don't know how the fuck I'm getting this bitch out, and I got a load to deliver tonight. My trailer is definitely full right now, and I don't have any way of getting this truck out of here. Like, not even a little bit. Ugh. This fucking snow, look at fucking knee high. Crazy, right? Probably shouldn't have parked my truck here, huh? You think? Look at the Benz. Fucking buried. I'm gonna have to call like a plow truck or something, because this shit needs to get out. Oh no! I forgot. I got all the way over here and I realized I forgot my key. Actually, I think I left my passenger door open. I did. Holy shit, how the fuck am I gonna get out of here? Well, I'll let you know when I figure out a fucking plan, but I don't think I am. Oh man. So, I still haven't found anybody to get me out of this predicament, but fuck this predicament right now, because my truck won't start for some strange reason. Like, it's cranking slow, like it needs a jump. But I got 2 jump packs on it in my car. Well, I just connected the Benz to it. The Benz had to make it out of this, and I'm surprised. Like, this Benz fucking fought through this shit with them low profile tires. Brand new. You still see the fucking green on them motherfuckers. I just put them on. But damn, I was surprised that it made it this far, but it did. But I don't know what the fuck's going on with my truck. Like, those are 4 brand new batteries, and yeah, they were on the cheap side, but they say 925 cold cranking amps. That's a lot. And this truck should not be fucking struggling like this. It's at 13.9 now. It was fucking at 13.3. But that's crazy. Like, this is some bullshit. My truck should not be struggling to start right now. I should start right the fuck up. Like, it's cranking slow. Like, I'm very, very mad about that. Those are 4 brand new batteries. Like, I should not be having to deal with this right now. Like, I should return them shits. Like, yo, listen, I just bought these shits. Like, literally, I bought 2 of them like 2 months ago, and I bought 2 of them last week. So this should not be happening, but it is, and I don't like it. But thank God for the Benz fucking trucking it through. Yeah, I'm fucking proud of this girl. I ain't gonna lie, I'm fucking proud of her. She fucking went through this bitch. I just kept on going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and she did it. She did her thing. Smoky in here because I was burning some rubber. Let me give it some juice, some extra juice. This Benz needs a wheel bearing. That's it right there. I just gotta go get it done. You know, I don't got too much time. This is some bullshit. First of all, my truck should not be not starting. Second of all, like, damn, y'all, I need somebody to come plow this shit like yesterday. This load is not due till tomorrow. It's a load of water. It's not due till tomorrow, but I wanted to leave tonight so I could be there by the morning tomorrow on their front step, and then have my 10 hours knocked out the box so I could do another load. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I'm trying to get this money, baby. Trying to get this money. But this shit is slowing me down right now because it's already almost 2 o'clock, and I haven't even got the truck started. Good thing I started. Well, I would have done this automatically anyway. If you ain't coming, I should have just left the truck running all fucking weekend, honestly. That's what I should have done. But I didn't think it would have this problem starting. It's not even that cold outside. It's only 25 degrees. It's 25 degrees, 4 new batteries. I didn't think it would have any problem starting. I come in, like, what? Like, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. I just bought them fucking batteries. Like, ugh. All right, so I'm gonna let this do its thing for a little bit more. I'm gonna try to start her up in probably about 10 minutes. I'm gonna watch some football right now while I'm waiting. Fucking Dior. Snow. All right, let's try and see what we're at right now. 14.2. Let's see if this thing will start correctly. Still. That's crazy. That's crazy. So this is where I get my diesel at. I just pulled up to ask him who plows his parking lot, because I'm really cool with him and shit. And I pulled up, and then there's this fucking bobcat thingamabob over here. And I was like, yo, you wanna make some money? He's like, show me what you need. And I was like, word. Because this will definitely be able to get me out of there. Make a nice little fucking path for me to get the fuck up out of there. I throw him like 200 bucks. And we'd be good. We'd be good. My boy getting it done. Getting it done. That's how we do it. That's good shit. Now I just need him to make me a path going all the way over there, and then we'll be all set. Because I definitely can't get out of here. I know you guys thinking it, but nope. There's no way I can make those angles with a trailer. It's not happening. Problem fixed and hopefully get this fucking truck started. When I told him he's doing the whole thing, he's like, damn, bro. I was like, bro, how much? He goes, 200. I was gonna give him 300, but fuck it. You know what I mean? I don't care. Like that's not an issue. Like people, like, I gotta get out of here. If I don't get out of here, I don't make no money. I don't drop off this load that is paying me what? I think I'm getting 1,800 for this load, 1,700 for this load. Like, bruh, whatever you want, just get me the fuck up out of here. That's what it is in the trucking business. If your truck is out, whatever the fuck you gotta do to fix it or make it happen, make it happen. Like, I don't give a fuck what the price tag is. Just make it happen. Give me a fucking path out of this motherfucker. That's it. Oh, fucking 2.5 hours later, finally got the truck started. I honestly, I ended up buying 2 new batteries. But even when I installed the new battery, it still wasn't jumping. So I was kind of worried, but I just kept on cranking it, and then eventually it started. I think the starter was frozen, honestly, and from me cranking it, it heated it up and started up. So that's the only fucking thing I could think of. Honestly, but we should be good now. I'm gonna let it warm up for a couple hours, and I'm taking off. I'm out of here. We out of here. Oh shit! Finally, so truck's warming up. Thank God I got it started. Like I said, that's never happened before, but I honestly think I'm right about, I don't think the starter was warm enough. It was not, because what else could it be? The fucking, you getting new batteries, you got 2 jump starts and a car on it, 3 jumper cables, and the shit still is cranking slow. The only thing I can think about is the starter being frozen. And as soon as I kept this key turned, it was doing slow, and then it started to speed up a little bit, and I was like, okay. Then it started to speed up a lot, and then once I heard it get some fuel, I was like, all right, we're all set. So that's the only thing I could think of. But whatever it is, it's fixed now. I'm just letting it warm up, and I'm gonna take off, headed to New York, Connecticut border. But I'll holler. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Tell your friends about me. I'll holler.